Hey, what's up, guys? Nathan here from Worship Calling in the Worship Journal Guitarist Edition. Got our progression for this week. It is D, B minor, G, and A. But of course, I want to mix that up, so here we go. One thing I've noticed, the thing I like is I like this spot of my neck. You know, around that 9, 10 fret area, because I feel like it's not so high up in the neck that it's obnoxious, but it's in a different frequency range where I'm not stepping over everybody else. I feel like that's a good spot for me to kind of find the pocket, hide out a little bit, and still add to the music and not just stack on top of it. So, for my D, I'm using that G shape, right? Again, stuff we cover in the book. Open G chord. We're just moving it way up here. I'm just playing the bottom half. That's what I'm going to do for my D. For my B minor, I'm just playing that E open E minor shape, right? Again, just playing the bottom half. And the one thing I like about that is it opens me up to go into that G in that C shape. Then I'm ending on the A in the E shape. Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, make every strum count. See you guys next time.